Namaskar, sir. In Carlo, World Billiard Championships is happening. Your views on that?
Well, the venue is fantastic. How we have come to Carlo before. Means I have come to Carlo before, but not at this venue. We had played in the Ivy Rooms venue of Jim Lacey, and this venue is the academy here of Academy of Excellence. So it's wonderful tables. All the tables are good. The Star and the Rasen, and I'm enjoying playing billiards. I'm playing after a long time in such a major event, so I'm quite enjoying it.
2011 was the IBSF World Billiard where the time format was played in Carlo, and again after 14 years it's World Billiards time format for the IBSF. In between, the point format was introduced to attract the audience and all. Here you have played the match play, which is the point format, and the time format now. It's a perfect combination.
I would say absolutely, because the match play format, if sometimes we may have to look at the match play format to be introduced also in the time format. The rules of the match play are very interesting, and it keeps the players also in attention. Means you can't pot the white and double walk, so you have to think of really good safety shot when you play, and that actually it just negates the dull play of pot white and potting on the reds and scoring on the reds and then double walking the opponent. So I think that format can be looked at as an interesting one, even if extended to the time format.
England and India have the top players for billiards. Peter Gilchrist from Singapore. How you see the participation and competition over here?
Oh, it's top notch, top notch. The only player I think who is missing is Mike Russell, who was to enter I think these events, but somehow he pulled out at the last minute. And when I said top notch, Peter Gilchrist and Dave Cozier and Peter Sheehan and Rob Hall have all scored phenomenal high breaks in the first Irish Open, which was a time format. Breaks of 600, 500, 400, multiple 400s. So it goes on to show that even after 40 years of playing, these top players who are well past their 50s are still right up there, and they are making our Indian youngsters run for their money. Players like Dhwaj Haria, Saurav Kothari, Sri Krishna, although they have a very bright future, if they can play so well at the age of 55 and 56, I think our younger players have got a very long future ahead of them.
You have a long career of playing over the years. Your personal choice. You played the match play, now the IBSF World Championship, time format or point?
15 years back, I would have never blinked my eye to say time format, because that is the time I was making big high breaks. But today I know that I'm not able to stay onto the table for too long. I would go with the point format.
Right. Thank you. Thanks for speaking to us.
Thank you very much.